A child playing with cars. Red dump truck. Wow! Little red balls. 1 2 3 Yeah, now the dump truck is full. Red. Wow! Little red balls in the red bowl. Now it's yellow dump truck's turn. 1 2 and 3. Yeah, it's full now. Yellow. So nice. Little yellow balls in the yellow bowl. It's a green dump truck this time. Green little balls. It's so fun. 1 2 and 3. The dump truck is full now. Green. See, little green balls in the green bowl. What do you think? What color will it be this time? Yeah, it's blue. Blue dump truck. Let's count together. 1 2 3. Nicely done. Now the dump truck is full. Blue. Little blue balls in the blue bowl. And what color will it be this time? What do you think? Yeah, it's pink. The color is so bright. I like this color. Let's count together. 1 2 3. You did good. Yeah, it's full now. Pink. Nice. Pink, red, yellow, green, and blue.